Hello everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. I hope everyone's doing great. So, in the last video, we learned 5 vocabulary words. It was 5 action words like play, run, jump, climb, and ride. Yeah. Now we are going to use those words in sentence patterns. Are you guys ready? Here we go. The first sentence pattern is play. Do you want to play with my toy? Yes, I want to play with your toy. Very good. The next sentence pattern is jump. Do you want to jump on my trampoline? Yes, I want to jump on your trampoline. Jumping on trampolines is very fun. You guys need to try that. It's pretty cool. The next sentence pattern is run. Can you run fast? Yes, I can run fast. Or you can say, no, I cannot run fast. I believe you guys can run very fast. Faster than Teacher Shane. The next sentence pattern is climb. Do you know how to climb a jungle gym? Yes, I know how to climb a jungle gym. Very good, everyone. Okay, the last sentence pattern is ride. Do you want to ride your bike with me? Yes, I want to ride my bike with you. Very good. Great job, everyone. You just learned 5 new sentence patterns. Yeah, great job. Amazing. Now you can practice and you will get better in English in no time. Keep practicing and never stop, okay? Thank you guys so much for looking at my video, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye-bye.